Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode. On this episode, I'll be explaining how to install the brackets that I bought from FatFourCustoms onto my 1994-1998 Honda Odyssey Knuckles. I did my entire car as a 5-lot conversion. It's a 1990 to 1993 Honda Accord or CB7. And now I'm going for the big boy brake system, which it's meant to stop faster because I'm gonna be putting some horsepower into it. So if you guys stay tuned, you will see all this happen. I'm not rich, so I'm doing little by little. So just have a little bit of patience and you guys will see this entire process happen. So today we'll be installing the brackets, and the next videos we'll be going to the calipers, rims, all this good stuff, bushings. I jump back and forth depending on my budget, so just be patient. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys like and comment, and let's talk about stuff that you may know that I may not know, or if you have questions you want to ask away. These are the 94 to 98 Honda Odyssey front knuckle assembly, which is used for a 5-lot conversion on a CB7. These are the brackets that I'll be installing onto them so that I could make this into the big boy brake system. The calipers I'll be using are from a Honda Acura RL. Now these brackets I bought from FatFourCustoms, and they send you everything you need: the brackets, the screws, the nuts. They even send you the screws that you'll be using to install the calipers. Today I'll just be showing you how to install the brackets onto the knuckles. In the future, I'll be showing you how to do everything else. Now, the first thing to take into consideration is this groove right here. This groove goes into that part right there, and it goes in the inside of the knuckle. You'll realize if you do it wrong that the holes themselves won't be facing outside. Make sure these holes face outside. And this screw right here piece goes through the front of the knuckle. Now, FatFourCustoms does send you an instruction sheet which shows you how to torque down each screw and nut. Now the first thing you do is hand screw the screws, making sure one washer is on one side and one washer is on the other side. Now you will need a torque wrench. You will have to set it up to 70 pounds, which is what the instructions say. Now before I switch my torque to 40, I will do the other bracket to make it easier on myself. Once I torque it down to 70 pounds as well, I'll bring my torque down to 40 pounds and I will finish torquing it down. Now I will be installing the calipers and new bushings and everything on my CB7 on 1990 to 93 Accord. So stay tuned so you can see all this in process.